So this is a movie regarding police brutality. I was referred by Jim Lafferty down in Los Angeles from the National Lawyers Guild to call someone called Ashley Albies. And I talked to Ashley Albies, and she kind of explained to me the delicate balance of dealing with police brutality in Portland. And she basically said, if you complain about police brutality, the DA will frequently intensify and increase their drum up to get some kind of criminal charges on you. So if you complain about police brutality, for instance, to the so-called independent police review, or through filing a tort claim notice, filing your tort claim notice should come after your criminal charges have been dropped, because the tort claim notice will alert the district attorney to punish you for attempting to report the police brutality. So that's just a little kind of like Animal Farm Catch-22 Orwellian Kafkaesque craziness that might not be super obvious to the public. And I was just like, Ashley, really? Really? That sounds so corrupt. But that's why the Department of Justice is trying to crack down on the Portland police, is because they have this collusional activity between the district attorney towards all these malicious prosecutions of very non-existent charges like criminal mischief, disorderly conduct, that sort of thing, that are essentially infringements on constitutional behavior. So I thought I'd just throw that into the mix, and then getting an inside look at what's been going on with the Multnomah Defenders is just, it's been quite earth-shaking to me. I find it really disgusting and offensive how they do business. They're very rude, very crude, very verbally abusive, very déclassé, so to speak. And they're an embarrassment to Multnomah County, but I think Multnomah County is an embarrassment to itself when you look at how poor people are handed a police brutality case. And if, say, Benjamin Pickering had been a rich boy, he could have just gone and hired the $10,000 lawyer to get his charges dropped peacefully and amicably, and instead he's got the indigent defense law team with Tom Borton and Don Andrews, which I have to say, Tom Borton seemed clueless, but at least he wasn't rude and aggressive. And Tom Borton got moved off of Ben's case, and now it's Don Andrews, and she's rude, aggressive. She has a lot of typos in her letters. I think there's something wrong with Don Andrews, like possibly Alzheimer's disease or something like that is happening, that's impacting her ability to do her job, and her angriness and grouchiness towards her client is really unbecoming an attorney, especially a state defender. So that's been really sad.
Sorry.
I love you, honey. Oh, I love it when you speak.
Can I say something?
Yeah, say something. Hop in.
Yeah, I just feel like that I just want someone to reach out and say it's okay.
It's okay.
That you know, you did nothing wrong, because I didn't do anything wrong.
You did nothing wrong.
And it's like,
you did everything right. You're a hero.
You know,
you survived.
I don't understand why isn't it fair. I mean, who's the one to be judged? You just say a prayer when it comes true. I just say, God in heaven, you know the Bible. For God loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son. Whoever shall believe in Him should not perish, but have to live everlasting life. So if I just say a prayer, God, we just ask Satan, combine him up in the name of Jesus, to flee. In the name of Jesus.
I ran into Ben's elbow today while we were cleaning out the closet.
Father, put a hedge of protection and
horrible headache.
And light a light into our path and through our way, through the valleys and through this world, and light a light into our feet, into our path, and the hell and Satan and all the bad guys and the boogie monsters just flee. They be judged, because
look at how our eyes are the same color, pretty much.
That they be the one feeling all this hurt and pain and the suffering that I'm dealing with. And it's like, I don't need none of it. I just follow her in the name of Jesus.
Hey, can we make
anybody that's out there listening, Yeah, go ahead.